Good morning, student. Hope all of you well. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, Akbar's Rajput policy. Okay, Akbar Rajput policy is very important in your class and in Indian history. We all know Akbar belongs to Mughal dynasty. Okay, Akbar belongs to Mughal dynasty, and some historian and some scholar of history, they say Akbar was the one of the greatest ruler of our nation and obviously in the world. So Akbar created and Akbar introduced some important policy in Indian politics, and this type of policy made him great. Okay, one of his important policies, Rajput policy. So we are going to discuss about the Rajput policy. Akbar understood the importance of creating friendship relation with the large Hindu population and having Rajput alliance. Okay, Akbar realized this. If you have to rule in India, then you have to create friendship with Indians, mainly Rajput community, because Rajput community was a warrior community, and they also helped him, Akbar, to spread his kingdom and his power in his kingdom. So Akbar wanted to friendship with various Rajput states. That's why Akbar took two initiatives, like marriage alliance and war. Okay, marriage and war. Akbar entered into marriage alliance with many Rajput families like Princess of Amber and Kachua Princess. Amber Princess and Kachua. Okay, Akbar entered into marriage alliance with Amber Princess and Kachua Princess, and giving various important posts to the Rajput world leaders like Raja Man Singh, Raja Todarmal, Bhagwan Das, so, student, Man Singh, Todarmal, Bhagwan Das, they are the important Rajput leaders, and Akbar gave them very important post in his court. Okay, but some others rulers like Mewar and Marwar. Okay, Mewar and Marwar refused to submit their authority to Akbar. Okay, and they start guerrilla warfare against Akbar. Maharana Pratap, the king of, we all know Pratap Singh. Okay, Maharana Pratap Singh, who was the king of Mewar, Raja Pratap Singh, Raja Pratap Singh refused to accept Akbar's authority, even though he beaten war in Haldighati 1576. Very important. 1576 Battle of Haldighati. Okay, he refused to accept the authority of Akbar, although he beaten in 1576 Battle of Haldighati, but he did not surrender to Akbar and continued to fight against the Mughal till the recapture a major portion of his kingdom. Okay, so this is the picture of Akbar Rajput policy. Many of hostile Rajput facility accepted, many states accepted Akbar authority, and they were usually allowed to reign their inhabited land, that means Batan, and they get important post in Akbar court. So Akbar Rajput policy is very important policy in Akbar duration, because Rajput policy give power to Akbar, rule India, spread all over his kingdom all over Indian subcontinent and give them power. And other hand, Rajput get their land. I mean to say that they get their own land, they allow their own inhabited land, accepting the authority of Akbar, and they get important post in Akbar court. That means in this policy, in Akbar Rajput policy, both party get facilities. I mean to say that Akbar also get the facility. Akbar gain the supreme support of Rajput community, and another side Rajput community gain power, gain property from Akbar's side. Okay, so students, Akbar Rajput policy is very important policy during Akbar era, and this policy gave Mughal Empire too much power and spreading Mughal dynasty all over India. So Akbar Rajput policy is very important for Indian history. Okay, if you have any question, then you can ask me. I think this video is helped to understand this topic, and if you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you.